What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Security Service can't be started error that you may be getting. So let's go right into this. This is like a pop-up that happens where it says essentially it can't be started, and there's a quick way to fix this. All you need to do is essentially go to your search bar and just type in regedit until the registry editor pops up. In here, we're going to do a few things. So I actually have the thing opened up, but just to show you, what you need to do is click into HKey local machine. So right here, system, right here, current control set, right here, services, which is this one, and then all the way at the bottom, you're going to see something that says WSCSVC, which is basically the Windows Security Control Services, right? That's or Windows Security Center Services, whatever it is. So basically, you're going to find all of these in this regedit page that I popped up over here, and in here, you want to find the thing inside of this called start. It should be a regd word, and in here, you want to double click into this, and you are going to change the value data for whatever it is for you, because you're most likely getting the error, into whatever it is, into 2. Once you do that, press OK, restart your computer, use whatever service you were for, or basically wherever this error was popping up will not occur any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please press up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then Motorola's out. Peace.